Attach the this handle you see like this is very special. As you can see, you can rotate it and turn it to the angle, but there is a proper way of positioning it. Most of the times, people misplace the position of this angle, and it will be hard when you are raising up the inverter or a battery. So this battery now, I will show you how you can properly position this. Just stay on this channel, detailed with informations and everything you need to know about solar construction and also electricity and power. So this is very important to know this. Follow my hand now and see how I do it. You guide this first. You see, I just guided one. Then I have another one with me. In tightening any bolt or screwing bolt and nut, you need to work in a diagonals. So from here to here and here to here. Now I've chosen up, so I have to guide this one down. As you can see, I will make this one firm as well. By doing it like this, it has made it easier for me to tie this and tie this without stressing myself. So watch me as I put the remaining ones. Now remember that this is manual tightening. So assuming I want to use my machine to tighten, after tightening this, I will now lock it. As you can see, I will now lock it. Now remember that this is manual tightening. So assuming I want to use my machine to tighten, after tightening this, I will now lock it. As you can see, I will now lock it. Now remember that this is manual tightening. So assuming I want to use my machine to tighten, after tightening this, I will now lock it. You carry it out, use this first and check if both of them will be there. Shift that one, let's position this thing first. Happen. Do not work. Hmm?